Mira,
Caitlin,
Mariah.
We're the altos.
Brianna, Megan, Kirsten, Hannah.
Joanna,
Alyssa.
We're the second sopranos.
Caitlin, Naomi. We're the first sopranos.
And we're second period advanced girls choir. I was left to my own devices. Many days fell away with nothing to show.
Hi, I'm Joanna, and I joined choir because here we're all a family, and it doesn't matter if we're different because we're all equals.
I'm Brianna, and I joined choir to express myself and be with my friends.
Hi, my name is Rachel. I joined choir because I love to sing, and if you love to sing, you should too.
But if you close your eyes, does it almost feel like nothing's changed at all? And if you close your eyes, does it almost feel like you've been here before? How I'm gonna be an optimist about this. How I'm gonna be an optimist about this. Caught up and lost in all of our vices. In our clothes as the dust settled around us, and the walls that are tumbling down in the city that we love.